Hey guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you a very cool app that I recently found. It's called Zip Zero. Okay, now this is another really cool way that you can make money getting cash back on many of your receipts. Everything that you spend in the shops and you get a receipt on, you just simply scan your receipt and you get some cash back. How cool is that? Okay, so as you can see here, I've just recently, this is my first ever scanned receipt, which I bought some stuff from the shop, and I wanted to test this out and see if it works and how cool, like how well it works, how good it works. And as you can see here, I have 4p pending. Now that's not a lot of money, but that adds up, guys. It was only £8 that I spent, £8.44 to be exact, and then I got 4p pending. So, you know, at the end of the day, how many receipts have you got? You know, this, by the way, you have to do it within a 7-day period. So the minute you get the receipt is the second you have to scan it. Okay. So, but the good thing is that, you know, wherever you spend, you can get cash back. You can get a small cash back on. Okay. So it says, okay, so I've just gone to the bills. It says your available balance is below £5. So I think maybe the minimum amount to take payments out is £5. And let's go to online shopping and see what's on there. Because guys, I'm really new to this app. Literally, I just downloaded it a couple of days ago, and just today I scanned my receipt. So Adbilla, I'm not sure what that is. Okay, that's just how you get paid. So I'm assuming that you just enter your bank account details over here where it says Adbilla, receipts. So as you can see, I've scanned one receipt, so I'm waiting for that to clear. And yeah, guys, you know, if you want to know how, you know, if you want to get some money back on the money that you spend already, this is free money. It's free money, and it doesn't take a long time. You literally, straight from the shop, you pull out your phone. Okay, so you go to the shop, you get a receipt, yeah, and then you pull out your phone, and then you take a snapshot of that receipt, and then you're just literally getting free money back. Okay, so it's as simple as that, and I think it's a really cool way to just, you know, who doesn't go to the shop and spend money? So this is literally for everyone that wants to make a bit of free money back. It's free money. It's money that you already spend and you're getting a small amount back. So I think that's awesome. So yeah, if you want to sign up or get the app, just click the link in the description below this video and you can get signed up to the app. And please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel as well, so that you can get more different videos like this. I'm also going to be doing videos about affiliate marketing and how you can make money with affiliate marketing, because this, guys, is not going to make you rich. It's not going to make you a millionaire. It's just going to save some money for you. And you know, I do this. I literally do this. I've started also using Top Cashback. Now I did do a video on that one, so if you want to check my other video out where I say that you can get cash back on your purchases again online, and that's through Top Cashback. If you want to check that video out, then you can. But basically, you know, you get cash back on all of the purchases that you usually already spend. So you know, a lot of the time I shop in places like Deliveroo, Tesco, you know, clothes stores. And a lot of these places, like the main stores, are, you know, you can get cash back for, even certain things on Amazon. So it's really cool, guys. It's just another way to save a bit of money. It's not really about making, you know, being rich or making a lot of money, being a millionaire. In that way, you know, if you're looking to make some money, like some good, decent amount of money, like a full-time income, then you want to be doing things like affiliate marketing and you know, marketing, online marketing, and work from home, you know, where you're actually selling a product. Okay, you're either selling someone else's product or you're selling your own product. That's how you make money. Okay, because, you know, you only need a couple of sales. You know, for example, you know, if you're selling $100 commission item, okay, or product, and you get $100 for each sale, and you only sell 3 of them every week, that's $300. So that's nearly someone's full-time income. Okay, obviously depending on what job they have or whatever, but that's nearly someone's full-time income. Okay, that's £1,200 a month. Okay, now I know that's not a lot, obviously, because it's expensive out here in London and the UK. That will probably just not even cover the rent over here. But that is good spending money, right? That is extra money that you can use for yourself, or reinvest or whatever. Now just imagine if you're making 5 sales or 6 sales, that increases. And the good thing about affiliate marketing is that there's no cap on how many sales you can potentially make. Okay, so if you go up to 6 sales with $100 commissions, that's 600. So you're literally, if you get that in a week, that's 600 a week. That's 6, 12, 18, 20, that's 2,800. Okay, so there's no cap on how much money. It depends how much work you put in, and if you can drive traffic. Okay, because that's what it's all about, driving traffic. But anyway, that is sidetracking to what this Zip Zero is. This is a really another good way to save some money, to get some cash back, and just save a bit of extra money. So I hope you like this video. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in more upcoming videos. Take care.